We have multiple first aid kits all across our farm, generally where a lot of people congregate. So we have our first aid here in our field office. This is where everyone meets in the morning and can also come back for meals or if they need to use the first aid. We also have first aid kits in both of our farm vehicles, our farm van, which is our harvest vehicle, so that first aid kit comes with us anytime we're leaving the vicinity of the barnyard. We also have one in our farm truck. We have one down in our pack, which is down in our barn adjacent to our farm store. So farm store employees also have access.
The University of New Hampshire Cooperative Extension is an equal opportunity educator and employer. UNH, U.S. Department of Agriculture, and New Hampshire counties cooperating. Direct inquiries to unh.civilrights@unh.edu. The University of Maine system is an equal opportunity institution committed to non-discrimination.